Alaikum. So, the topic for today is Shah Waliullah. Shah Waliullah. His real name was Qutbuddin Ahmad. He was born on 21st Feb 1703 AD in a small village named Path in Muzaffarnagar district, United Province, India, and died in Delhi in 1762 AD. He received his early education both in theology and mystical under his father's guidance. He graduated from his father's college and started teaching in that college for about 12 years. He went to Saudi Arabia for further studies and performed pilgrimage. He studied for 14 months under the guidance of Sheikh Abu Tahir bin Ibrahim. He returned to Delhi on 9th July 1932.